Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Love with Food tasting unboxing for the month of December. And right on top our card says, "Giving is a gift." Just says that kindness is contagious and they donate at least one meal to American families in need for every box that they send to you. So that's kind of cool. And let's take a look here. Where should we start? Jackson's with me. So we've got these in the past, this brand, and they have strawberry grahams. He's obsessed with them. So this is same brand, it's strawberry crisp. It's a soft baked granola bar. Whole grain oats. He might actually really like that. So that's going to be one of Jackson's snacks. You want to look at it? You could eat it now if you're hungry. We also have oven baked corn crackers. There's 3 crackers in here. Feels like they got a little smushed, but that's okay. Haven't tried those, so that's cool. Also have Joyful's chocolate treats, dark chocolate with cranberries, almonds, and pink Himalayan salt. Yum. Okay, you're gonna put it over there? That's fine. Then we have some ghee butter. This is California garlic. I haven't tried this. I've got this in a couple boxes, and my one friend's into that stuff and all this healthy stuff, so I gave it to her to try. But this one, I love garlic, so I think I might keep this for myself and try that. It's a spreadable butter. Sounds good. Then we have edamame and goji berry fusion. I actually do not like edamame. I know a lot of people like that. I do not. But this is roasted and salted. It's like a trail mix, so I will definitely give it a try. It's a nice little sample packet of that. This I'm excited about. Food Stirs. So Food Stirs, if I believe... Oh, what celebrity started that? There's a celebrity that has that. It's actually like a subscription too, where they do like little baking stuff. This is their organic minute mug cake mix and molten chocolate chip. Let's see, what do we have to do? We just empty it in there, add 2 tablespoons of hot water, stir with a spoon, and then microwave for 1 minute and then let it cool for a minute. Awesome. Excited for that. Also have a high protein weight loss bar and chocolate almond brownie. That sounds good. 14 grams of plant protein, organic, yum. And then the last thing in here is Bonitos. These are white bean chips, and this is the nacho cheese flavor. I've tried this brand before in various flavors in past boxes, and I kind of like them. They're pretty good. They're high in fiber. And then we always get advertisements, so normally there'll be like coupon codes for some of the products in there, and sometimes actual coupons. Some of the stuff you could find like in Target. So Wander Beauty, that's just like a random one. And then we always get HelloFresh too. So I have promo codes for HelloFresh. I have promo codes for Love with Food, and I will put all that information below in case you're interested in signing up. They do have a bigger box if you want the deluxe one, but I like this one. Just nice and small and really cheap. I think it's like $7 a month, and I think it's well worth it. Get to try new healthy snacks, and if I can find something Jackson loves, that's a plus because he's a picky eater. So thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.